Many executives assume tariffs weaken Chinese factories. It sounds logical. If import taxes increase, the supplier must suffer. But in global manufacturing, tariffs rarely works in a straight line. They don't simply weaken one side, they reorganize leverage across the entire supply chain. And in some cases, they actually strengthen the factory's position. Let's break down why. Tariff shifts cost, not control. A tariff is a cost layer, but cost does not automatically equal control. When tariffs increase, three things usually happens. First, the import feels margin pressure. Second, the factory evaluates alternative buyers. Third, both sides resist negotiation posture. But factories in China rarely depend on one single export channel. They diversify, they adjust, they redirect. If US demand becomes more expensive, factories look to Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia. Domestic demand leverage shifts when alternatives exist. Tariffs do not eliminate alternatives, they redistribute them. Pressure creates internal realignment. When tariffs rise, Western buyers often push for discounts, but factories are also under pressure from raw materials, energy cost, labor adjustments, currency movement. When both sides are pressured, negotiation becomes a stability calculation. Factories ask which buyers provides long-term continuity, which buyers observes risk constructively, which buyers creates predictable volume. If you only respond to tariffs by demanding lower price, you may weaken your strategic position because now you are increasing pressure in a system already under stress, and stressed systems protect stability first. Tariffs can strengthen strategic buyers. Here is the part most executives miss. Tariffs often eliminate short-term opportunistic buyers. Let me explain you why. Because thin margin imports exit first. That leaves space for structured capital-backed buyers, stronger buyers, long-term players. In that environment, factories becomes more selective. They prioritize partners who can adapt logistics, share risks, maintain continuity. So, tariffs do not simply weaken China. The real question CEOs should ask, the question is not, are tariffs good or bad? The real executive question is, how do tariffs reshape leverage inside my supply chain? If your strategy depends on short-term price arbitrage, tariffs expose weakness. If your strategy is based on structural alignment, tariffs become manageable variables. Manufacturing ecosystems do not collapse easily. They reconfigure, and power moves to whoever adapts fastest. Tariffs are not just economic policy. They are structural pressure tests. They reveal who understands leverage and who does not. In global manufacturing, control does not disappear under pressure. It shifts, and executives who understand that shift position themselves ahead of it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Until next time.